I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You open Discord and head straight to the server where you can add emojis. Make sure you have Manage Emojis permissions so you can proceed. Once ready, choose whether you want static PNGs for crisp icons or animated GIF for motion. That choice affects size and upload rules. Meanwhile, locate images. Use emoji packs, a screenshot, or a Unicode reference. Pick clear, simple art that will scale down. After that, prepare to resize and optimize before upload. You now resize and optimize each image because Discord will scale, but you want the best clarity. Aim for 128 by 128 pixels and keep file size low. Once done, save static images as PNG with transparency or export animations as GIF under the size limit so they remain animated. Next, open server settings, choose emoji, and upload each file. Give them short, colon-friendly names. Once uploaded, Discord registers aliases, and you can test them immediately in chat to ensure they render correctly. You finish by testing every new emoji. Type colon, the name, colon, or pick it from the emoji picker to confirm appearance and animation. Once done, manage who can use them by adjusting role or channel restrictions so your server stays organized. If an emoji fails to show, make sure you didn't exceed the server emoji limit, verify Manage Emojis permission, and check Nitro requirements for animated emojis. If issues persist, clear Discord cache or relaunch the app to refresh assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.